Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today is Doctor's Day. So what you would like to say to my followers on this Doctor's Day, Papa?
Well, Doctors' Day is celebrated on 1st July every year.
Okay.
This is the day
Hmm.
for Dr. Vidhan Chand Roy,
Hmm.
who was the uh, um, Chief Minister of West Bengal for 2 times. And this day is celebrated on his name.
Hmm.
This is the legendary work what he has done so far.
Okay.
And he was born on the 1st July. And for your information, I would say that he died also. He also died on the same day.
On the same day. Well.
And he served to the doctor community, and in the remembrance of him, this Doctor's Day is celebrated.
Okay.
Dr. Vidhan Chand Roy.
Okay. Well, this is period of pandemic COVID-19. We all know. During your OPD time, I see that you take several measures in treating your patients and in consultation. What you would like to say about this?
To our patients.
Yes.
Well, when the patients come, I ask them to, in the entry level
Okay.
itself, that wash your hand, because I cut the soap and water. So wash your hand with soap and water, and at the same time sanitizer is also there. And they used to come and sit here. And the moment they enter in my chamber, I ask them to sit at least 5 to 6 feet away from me. And always having mask on their face, totally covering the nose, mouth. It is not that the mask is below nose. Sometimes what happens that they are having mask, but they are not covering the nose. So this thing, and if possible, they can have the shield also, which I don't see the feasible for everyone. So, and proper distancing, what is said, everyone is know that distancing. And in this way I used to see. But those patients who cough and those who are having fever, I ask them to go to district hospital. Go to district hospital, and then only this is the precaution I used to ask to our patients.
So, due to these measures, patients also suffer. What are your views during your consultation time? Patient also suffers. You can't take their blood pressure. You can't check their pulse. So, what are your views on this?
No, I do check blood pressure and pulse. Those who require, those who are cardiac patients, but those who are having only simple fever, for them, I ask them to go there. But those who have mild to moderate fever, I ask them to get investigated and give them medicines accordingly. But those who are having cardiac problems, then I do check them, because I get the ECG done, I get the X-ray done. These things are mandatory, but proper precaution. I take precaution in the sense that I used to wear the gloves, and
Yeah, I've seen you wearing gloves,
and
face
face mask and the shield,
N95, that shield.
shield also. And I asked my attendant also to have the gloves and face mask. And after seeing the patient, I asked my attendant and patient as well at the same time that kindly get the sanitation done, and wash your hand properly with either sanitation or by soap and water. Because some risk is also there, because this is our duty and I have to discharge our duty, and some risk is also, this is inherent risk associated with the doctors.
Okay. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Now it's time for our OPD. Again, happy Doctor's Day to every doctor worldwide.
Happy Doctors' Day.
Thank you so much.